morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, I'm glad to see you. Good morning, now I'm a pupil. Good morning, today will be super.
Good morning, Anne.
Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Anne and Alex.
Good morning, Anne and Alex. Hurry up, let's get out of bed. Hurry up, let's make the bed.
I made my bed.
I made my bed too.
Hurry up, let's brush your teeth. Hurry up, let's do hair.
I did my hair.
I did hair too.
Hurry up, let's eat breakfast.
Thanks, Mom, for a delicious breakfast.
Thank you, Mom.
Hurry up, let's get dressed.
I'm ready.
I'm ready too.
Hurry up, let's get shoes and jacket.
I'm getting shoes and jacket.
I get shoes and now I'm getting a jacket.
Hurry up, let's get lunch.
Here you are, Alex. Here you are, Anne.
Thanks, Mom, for lunch.
Thank you, Mom, for lunch.
Alex and Dan, let's grab a backpack.
Thanks, Mom.
Thank you, Mom. You're welcome.
Let's go to school. Let's learn and do. Let's go. Let's make many friends. Let's go. Let's ring the bells.
Mom, why did we stop? When the traffic light is turned on the red color, people should stop and wait. When the traffic light is green color, we should go. Do you understand, Anne? So, Mom. Look at the traffic light. Now the traffic light is red. We should stop, and we can't go. Okay, Mom. Look at the traffic light. Now the traffic light is green, so we can go to the bus station. Oh, thanks, Mom. Now I understand. When we can go and when we can't go to the bus station.
Hurry up, we're late.
We are here. I explained to Anne how the traffic light works.
Great, Alex, do you know how the traffic light works? Yes, Dad, I know. If you want, I will tell you.
Alex, tell me please.
When a traffic light is red, you should stay and can't go to the road. But if you see the traffic light is green, you can go.
Alex, thank you. Now I remember well. The bus is coming. Alex and Anne, please get inside.
Okay, Mom, and let's go to the bus.
Okay, Alex.
Bye! See you at home after school.
Bye. See you. Bye, Mom and Dad.
Bye!
Hi. How did you spend the first day after school? Anne, you first, please. Start. Yesterday, Alex prepared delicious pizza and together ate and spoke about how we spent our first day at school. Great, Anne. Alex, tell me please, how was pizza?
The pizza was with cheese and so tasty. I miss a pizza.
So good, Alex. Can you prepare pizza for our class?
Yes, of course.
Alice, tell me please, how did you spend time? Yesterday we were playing board games with my father and mother for 2 hours. Perfect, Alice. Mike, please.
Yesterday we played table soccer with my father.
Nice, Mike. Stella, please. We went to a restaurant. Great, Stella. Jessica, please. Steve, please.
We went to the amusement park.
Wonderful, Steve. Janice, please. We stayed at home and cooked tasty food. Great, Janice. Dan, please.
We went to the park and ate ice cream.
Good, Dan. This is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4. This is number 5.
Mrs. Smith, I know the numbers counting song. One, 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 the sun is shining. 1, 2, 2, I'm glad to see you. 1, 2, 3, 3 monkeys on the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 tigers on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 birds in the sky.
Perfect, Alice. This song is great. Thank you, Alex. I have one book. This is number 1. Alex, please, tell me where do you see one thing?
I have one red book.
Great, Alex. Alice, please. I have one blue book. Perfect, Alice. Steve, please.
I have one orange book.
Great. This lesson is finished. See you soon.
Hi children, my name is Mark. I'm physical education teacher. The boys will play football and girls will play badminton.
Great! Dan, we are a great team. We won this game. Perfect. Let's play games.
Oh, Alex, I'm so tired and I want to rest.
Okay then, we played more than enough. Guys, look at the traffic light. Now the traffic light is red. We should stop. Yes, of course, Alex, we stop. Look at the traffic light. Again. Now the traffic light is green, so we can go home.
Hi Alex, hi Anne. How did you spend time at school?
We played game and learned numbers. Great. Anne, would you like to play a game?
Great idea, Alex. I would like. Alex, ask please Alexis about games.
Okay, Anne, I will ask Alexis. Alexis, do you have any game?
Yes, Alex. I have many games. Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready. Let's go play a game.
Let's find the one picture.
I found a calculator.
Great. I found a pencil case. Nice.
I found paper.
Perfect. I found a magnifying glass. Good.
I found a highlighter.
Nice. I found a door. Excellent.
I found a globe.
Good. I found a cupboard. So good.
I found a clock.
Excellent. I found a box. Great.
I found a bookcase.
Perfect. I found a desk. Good. You are a great team.
And would you like to play a game?
No, Alex, I'm tired. I want to sleep.
Bye, Anne.
Bye, Alex.